Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So another one of the trade stimulators we just got in. This is a 1931 Chicago Mint Puritan Confection vendor. 1931. This is a super nice machine, kind of a bit unusual. Once again, what we did is we got the whole load of machines. We brought them in. We're washing them off. We're cleaning them up. We're running some real nice fine steel wool over them. Then we're repainting them with the factory colors. So everything you see on here is factory. This is a super nice machine. This is a fruit machine, which is the same as a three-reeled slot machine, okay? This is how the reels go on a trade stimulator. Two go forward, one goes back, or two go back, one goes forward. This is a gumball trade stimulator. This here's where the gumballs come out, okay? This particular machine runs penny through quarter. So I'm gonna run a quarter through it. And as you see, here is the quarter, right? This is the last coin played. So if you won, the operator would pay you in whatever denomination of coin you played. So now we're gonna go to a penny. And now I would get paid in pennies, not quarters. And what they did here is in the award card here, they buried what you would be receiving. See, this here's 12. This says 2. So in the award, it told you what you would, in the fortune, it told you what you would receive as a reward. As you can see, they put these gumballs up here that stay in there that show you that it does vend gumballs. This is 1930s, really super nice machine. As you see, the very ornate, very nice 1930s machine. This one runs great, just a super nice machine. Original back door. It's all cleaned up. The action is good, it runs nice. 1931. So if you like this, we'll get a box up and get it right out to you, as well as I do include the gumballs, so you don't have to go try to find gumballs. We give you the gumballs and we get it boxed up real nice. So you know what? Well, I'm going to say, as always, thanks for watching our videos. You chime in all the time and tell us you love them and how informative they are. We like doing them. We're happy that you're watching them. We like you watching them. We do a lot of sales and product worldwide because of those videos. So we appreciate it. And here we go. I'm going to run it for you one more time.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.